In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Discord server. If you're brand new to Discord, a server is simply your own space where you and your community can chat, share files, hop into voice calls, and organize conversations by topic. You can do this on the desktop app or in a web browser, and the steps look and feel the same. Start by opening Discord. On the left side of your window, you'll see a vertical bar showing all the servers you're already in. Each circle there is a different server. If this is your first time, you might only see a couple of icons or even none at all, and that's completely fine. This left pane is the home for every server you join or create, so it's where we'll begin. Now, look toward the bottom of that server list for a small plus icon. It's the last icon in the column, often labeled Add a Server when you hover over it. Go ahead and click that plus. This is the shortcut to creating something brand new. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the list slightly. It's always at the end. After clicking the plus icon, Discord opens a setup window to guide you through creating your new server. The prompts are straightforward. You may be asked whether you want to start from scratch or use a template designed for things like gaming, school clubs, or study groups. Pick whichever option matches your goal. Templates simply give you a few starter channels and categories, while starting fresh lets you build everything yourself later. Next, give your server a name. Keep it short, clear, and recognizable so members can spot it easily in their own list. You'll also have the option to add a server icon. This is the small image that appears in the left bar. Choose something simple and high contrast so it looks good at a tiny size. Don't worry, both the name and icon can be changed anytime. When you're happy with your choices, confirm to finish the setup. Discord will create the server and drop you right inside it. You'll see it appear in the left pane with the icon you chose, plus a few default channels to get you started. From here, you can invite people, organize channels, and customize settings at your own pace, but none of that is required to complete the basic creation. And that's it. Open Discord, find the plus icon at the end of your server list, click it, follow the on-screen setup, and your new server is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your community.